My name is Andrew Jones. I'm the Pond Country foreman and landscape designer. Pond Country is a water feature specialist company. We do installation, we offer retail and maintenance service. We do ponds, fountains, also just pondless waterfalls, which we have branded Infinity Waterfalls. And we have a retail store that caters to the entire area. We have over 15 features built on site, from our smallest pond package, smallest waterfall feature, up to the larger ones and custom projects. When a customer calls the store, they are sent to the Pond Country sales manager, Troy. He talks with them about what they're looking for, and then he meets with them out at their property. They talk about where they want viewpoints from, what size feature they're looking for. For clients that are wanting much larger scale projects, I come out to do a full scale design. I'll take measurements and come up with a 3D full scale visual model that can also have a 3D walkthrough. We use great looking boulders that we get from Virginia, North Carolina, and Tennessee mountains, then use a nice decorative gravel to fill in the gaps, make sure that no liner or equipment is showing, and then it's just filling it up, watching it run, and let the customer enjoy it. Pond Country prides itself in the follow-up service after the construction. We really go above and beyond to make sure the customer's needs are met. We don't abandon our clients. We always want to have that relation because we also want them to continue to be a customer at our retail store. Customers can find us at pondcountry.com. They can also find us at our retail showrooms located in Mooresville near Lake Norman, and also in Colfax near Greensboro across from the Piedmont Triad Farmers Market.